So guys, we had some really sad news today. Chris's car failed MOT due to the dreaded rust. So, and a few other things, but mainly the rust, and we don't know how to weld. And nobody can do it for us, so we are learning to weld today. We have got some metal in the back there from our mate James, so shout out to James, you have saved our whole life. And yeah, we're gonna do some stuff. We already have like an angle grinder, stuff like that to cut the metal down, welder, all of the bits. So we've never actually welded before, but we have all the stuff. So we're just gonna go for it, see what happens. Also, got my first seat in, guys. So just this one to go in now, but I had to modify the bracket slightly. But the Sparco Sprints actually do fit on the Toyota MR2 bracket. So no need to buy an extra bracket, but I had to modify it slightly, but it's fine. So here is the poor baby, and it's rusty underneath here, all across here on the sills, which isn't surprising, but it is what it is. The most important accessory for this job, just in case. Okay, unboxing time.
Whoa, a cheap grinder, no way, I always wanted one of these. At least it has a guard on there. Yeah. I'm pulling the rust. I'm gonna pull rust.
Pull rust. And then probably uncover more rust by doing that. But...
No, thank you.
Well, we've just...
No, I'm good. No, that doesn't...
That doesn't exist.
It's just weight reduction, actually.
You can see it all falling out. The bondant that you tried to cover it with. Oh, nice. There's a chunk. Okay, so Chris has just cleared off like all of
this pile.
Okay, well I'll show you. All of that pile.
And there's more to come.
And now he is going to cut some holes.
Sick.
So we've got pretty far with the progress. You've cut that chunk out.
Mm-hmm.
So now there's just this big hole.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm not doing anything. I don't have a hammer, okay?
Someone sponsor us or buy us a hammer, please.
And a new torque wrench.
And a new torque wrench. So this is what we are left with right now that we need to fill in. That is quite a big patch actually. So now Chris is just making a template from the hole. So we can cut the metal correctly. Art and craft time.
Oh, of course the pen runs out.
Oh, that's really embarrassing. Sure, that works too. Okay, here's our piece.
She's not pretty.
She's not pretty, but that doesn't matter.
She's a bit, we might need to leave her. She's a bit spicy right now.
So what needs to be different?
So on here at the moment, I need to cut more off of this piece of metal.
Right.
So like across these lines here.
What about this bit at the back here?
The back bit I'm going to do a second patch.
Okay.
So like a different angle at it, because it comes out at way too different of an angle.
Yeah. We're going to leave it there today because it is getting late now and we want to go inside and drink wine. So this is the first piece that we've got at the moment. So Chris just needs to do another cut here and then we will weld it on and then fix more holes. It is day 2 of learning to weld and clearing rust. You can see Chris is still clearing off that side because there is more patches like underneath his driver's seat. So we're going to have to rip the carpet up, all of that. So this is the current state of the car. I'm fitting my driver's bucket seat today, which is really, really exciting, whilst Chris is angle grinding. But yeah, let me show you guys. This is my bucket seat and I've just put these brackets on now. This bit needs to come off, but that's not a right now problem. And now I'm gonna go put it in the car. I'm actually gonna hoover the car first because it's really gross. It is not perfect, and it literally looks like there's no change on camera, but it's better than it was, trust me. I just remembered that you need a seatbelt, so I need to just bolt this on before it goes into the car. I think it goes in one of these here, but I'm not sure. Is that on or off? Oh my god, I don't know. Okay, bucket seat reveal. They are both in now. Fully in there.
Had to acquire some help.
Had to acquire a little bit of help, but I did it by myself. But yeah, they look cool. It is the big moment. We are opening the welder. We just got this one from Tool Station because we were in kind of a rush, and this was the only one that they had. So yeah, this is what we got. We have got this thing set up, so you can see it going around in there. We're just waiting for it to come out there, I guess. I'm not sure.
Hopefully.
Oh, okay. So Chris has just done his first weld.
Well.
And now we're gonna hammer it to see if it holds.
Hey, listen. A grinder and paint make me the welder I ain't. That's what we say. This first time, man. It's holding up.
Yeah.
It seems to be. Yeah, solid as a rock.
That's not going anywhere.
But I think I want to get my technique nicer because those in the comments are going to be like, these welds are the worst welds anyone's ever seen. So, yeah. On the lowest heat setting, I was able to get this little bit here and like some of the like nicer holes.
Yeah.
It's still like blowing through like in this corner, that corner, that corner, and that corner very easily. Whereas the thicker metal can take much more heat. So it's just a balance of trying to get it to mesh. I left this gap too loose, so that's why I couldn't weld any of this. Too far away for the thickness of this metal and this metal. But it'll hold nicely. It's just going to be me getting the shapes correct to the metal so it's close enough for me to actually work with.
Okay, so Chris has done the first tack weld on the car underneath here. Where are we? Can't see.
You can see the plates.
Oh, I see. There we go. Oh yeah, nice. Right, water bottle and fire extinguisher at the ready. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
I'll be as quick as I can.
And we're watching down here for smoke and fires. Okay, he's starting to weld down there. And we're looking out for fires. We said no fires, but Chris just had to blow out a small fire underneath the car.
I accidentally welded the clamp onto the thing. Oopsies.
It's okay, I'm on fire marshal patrol. Okay. Whoa. There we go. He's actually done a really good job considering we don't know how to weld and this is his first time ever welding, and he's doing it straight to his car and he's done a really good job. It's just this bit here, but yeah, that looks so good. Okay, last little bit.
So if they looked, that is solid.
Okay, good. That's the main thing. So Chris has just let the car down. We are done. It has taken about 9 hours. But everything underneath is completely welded, completely rust free now. So we're good to go and he can pass MOT.